Welcome to Bisaya Math Tutor. Ang atong lesson karon mao ang subtraction of integers. Part 1 is basic subtraction. Ang minuend or ang first integer mas dako kaysa sa subtrahend or the second integer. So here we have 5 examples. Number 1, 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9 is 4. Number 2, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Number 3, 18 minus 11 is equal to 7. Number 4, 7 minus 2 is 5. Number 5, 6 minus 3 is 3. Basic.